Malaysia purchased 9 Turkish Anka drones. Turkish Aerospace Industries, TI, will export 9 Anka drones to Malaysia for approximately $100 million. Turkey's defense company TI has achieved a new export success at the Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition, Lima 2023, one of the largest defense exhibitions in the Asia-Pacific region. Turkish Aerospace Industries won the Malaysian Air Force's tender for the purchase of drones from 2020, in which companies from the USA, China, and Italy participated. With the contract signed at the Lima Aerospace and Defense Exhibition, TI will produce the first 3 Anka drones. The first phase of Malaysia's requirement for 9 drones equipped with different payloads and install the associated ground control systems. While the contract is referred to as Phase 1, Malaysia's Anka procurement will continue as Phase 2, Phase 3. The contract, signed with the Malaysian Ministry of Defense for the needs of the Air Force, provides for the export of 3 Anka systems for approximately $100 million. The satellite-controlled Ankas will be equipped with radars specific to Malaysia's requirements. Deliveries are expected to be completed within 2 years. Turkish Anka drone. TI Anka is a drone unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries Inc., in line with the needs of the Turkish Armed Forces. The basic Anka A is in the medium-altitude long-endurance, male UAV class. Designed for tactical surveillance and reconnaissance missions in the early 2000s, Anka has evolved into a modular platform with synthetic range radar, precision weapons, and satellite communications. It is named after the legendary mythological creature, the Phoenix. Since entering service, TI Anka has flown a total of approximately 130000 hours. Turkey's Directorate for Defense Industries had stressed advanced variants of the Anka with greater payload capacity, extending Block A capabilities to the features like SATCOM, SIGINT, air-to-ground missiles. TI Anka has been active in many different geographies and has been exported to nearly 10 countries. Among these countries are Algeria, Chad, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Tunisia, and Kyrgyzstan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.